Peacenplants, golden pothos. We want to be very, very, very careful of where we get our plants. Very, very careful. You have to mind where you get them. Check out these string of bananas. And this is a pothos. Not doing well at all. Careful. Very careful. Very, very careful. Okay, this is Home Depot, where I am right now. I'm not buying anything. I came in here for the specific purpose of teaching. These are very beautiful. Check these out. These are the Monstera hopes. And what happens with the hopes, remember guys, they divide, not quite like a Monstera deliciosa. They divide a little differently. But you can see new growth here and there. These are actually new plants. New plants. New plants. How many do we see in here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see this one. I like this one. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so we want to be very, very careful of where we get our plants from. Sometimes your plant is gone before you even get it, and it dies, and you may think, oh, I'm not a green thumb, I don't have a green thumb, I thought I was a part of the Botanical Family. And you are. It's not your fault always. We have to learn a discerning eye when we are purchasing our plants, just like you purchase anything else. Peacenplants.